Hi guys, today I want to show you this amazing wireless charging station from Ampere, and it's called the HYPERCUBE. It has a unique design where you can either lay it flat or you can stand it up in a cube format while it wirelessly charges 3 devices at the same time. It has a built-in alarm clock, it can play sleep sounds, has a full spectrum LED light panel and so much more. But first, let me show you what you get out of the box. As soon as you get inside, you will be greeted with a thank you note from the founders of this company, which also gives you the details of how to receive a $20 gift card. And there is a clock and light face panel guide, which is very useful to get started, and finally, an user manual. After that, you see the HYPERCUBE itself, which is neatly folded in a stack formation. Then there is also a carry pouch. If you want to travel with the HYPERCUBE, then you can put it inside this pouch for protection, which is very nice. Then it also comes with a 65-watt travel adapter built with GaN technology. So inside this box, you get the founder's note with the gift card info, and then the travel adapter and the 2-meter long USB-C to USB-C cable. Now I am super impressed that this thing is actually included with the HYPERCUBE because of its sheer size and what it is capable of doing. Basically, this thing will let you charge your MacBook but has half the size of the MacBook's original adapter size, which makes it super travel friendly. Also, since the adapter comes in a US plug, they have also included other ports as well, so that no matter which country or area you visit, you can always connect to the wall socket. But again, I just love the size of this adapter because it makes travel so convenient. It's really as big as your mobile charger and will fit into any pocket for sure. Now, if you're opening the HYPERCUBE from the stack state, then as you unfold the whole thing and lay it flat, you will see that the hinges by the clock face and the LED face look a little bit different than the other side. That's because it then helps you fold it back up again. There is only one possible combination of folding it back up, which does take a little bit getting used to. Anyways, if you want to get the HYPERCUBE to stand up in the cube shape, then make sure that the hinges on the clock face side and the LED face side are both tucked inside, and then there are magnets on the side of each panel that will automatically lock the whole thing in a very sturdy cube shape. On the side, there are 2 arrows that indicates 2 USB-C ports, one for input and the other for output. You can use any adapter to power up the HYPERCUBE, but if you use the PD travel adapter from Ampere or any other adapter that can give you an output of 65 watts, then you can fast charge 3 devices at the same time at a maximum of 10 watts. So the 3 wireless charging pads have a small LED that lights up when a device is placed on it and it's getting charged. Then on the clock face itself, there is a touchpad that does a variety of things, like it lets you adjust time and set alarm. Best thing is that even if you disconnect the HYPERCUBE from power, it will still remember your last time settings, so you don't have to change the time unless you are moving time zones. And the alarm can be set with sound and light, or either or, depending on how much motivation you need to get out of the bed. Then there is a LED that you can turn on and control brightness. You can change the color of the LED between white, yellow, blue, red, green, purple, etc., which is super cool as it can work as mood lamp plus a bedside reading light. The Ampere HYPERCUBE also has inbuilt speakers that can play sleep sounds. You can choose between forest, ocean and rain. My favorite is the ocean, as I find it most calming when hitting the bed. You can also adjust the volume if you want. Plus there is a sleep timer. This can turn off both the light and the sleep sounds after 30 minutes. The sleep timer button will remain illuminated if it is selected to let you know that the timer is activated. Now I may have said before when reviewing some other chargers that it was the ultimate charger, but that is because at that time I had no idea that something like this even existed. It is made of plastic but is very well built all around, and at the same time it is very light as well. If you're gonna travel somewhere and if you have multiple devices to charge, then this is the perfect companion. You can charge 3 devices wirelessly, while a 4th device can also be charged via the USB-C output port. I can also see this as a great work desk companion, as you can charge your phone and watch something at the same time, which is simply great. This is not by any means an inexpensive device, but because of the way it can lay flat or transform into a cube, the foldability when traveling, the small GaN adapter and all the other functionality, I think it all adds up to the price. So if you're looking for a multi-purpose charging station, then this would be just perfect for you. Well, that's it from me today guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please like, share and subscribe. This is Nafis signing off till next week. Peace.